Good evening. This is BiteBuddy, the AI-powered online meal plan. So our team, we are composed of computer science engineering students at the American University in Cairo. We are Youssef, Kirolos, Maya, Mohamed, Omar, and Nada. So what's the problem? The problem is we wanted to solve the issue of planning proper nutritional meal plans with proper values for people anywhere around the world. The problems were that maintaining a balanced diet was difficult in today's environment. So if you want to plan the correct amount of food you should eat throughout the week, as well as the proper nutritional values you should maintain to properly have a balanced diet, it was difficult in today's environment. Moreover, there's difficult in accessing the knowledge regarding these balanced diets. So not everyone knows the proper information regarding the proper values of nutritional information for different foods, as well as the proper combination of foods to eat per day or per week in order to maintain a proper diet. Another problem we faced or we saw was that it was sometimes very difficult to actually cook the food or create the foods that were involved in these diets. That some healthy foods or most of the foods were difficult to prepare, so we needed to find the correct steps and organize them in a way so that people could, without experience, be able to maintain this diet. And finally, information regarding nutrition and balanced diets is distributed everywhere over the internet and in books and with people. So we needed a platform to connect all these things together in one place. So our solution was we created plans. The AI, we gave a prompt to the AI that created a plan for us. This plan was organized with proper nutritional facts and values for the food. So we achieve a healthy lifestyle through these plans. Moreover, these plans contain the foods or the food items that are going to be eaten by the people. And these foods should be synchronized with the plans throughout the week and throughout the day. Moreover, they were organized together according to their type, nutritional value, as well as user preference, which is a very important point for us. Finally, each food item can be expanded to show the ingredients to create this food item, as well as the steps to follow in order to cook it, as well as a picture of the final product to show the user what they might be expecting. The tools we used they included GPT 3.5. This was to get the data using prompts. So we entered the prompt to the API using a properly formatted string. It included the user inputs as well as what we thought was the best prompt to enter the AI, and we got the best results out of it. We used React to build the front end of the website, DALI to visualize the meals, Netlify to host a demo, and GitHub to collaborate the project among the team. So what were the prospects of this AI-powered application, or what makes AI a proper solution for it? We thought of it because it was easy to use and accessible, so people around the world can easily access this website, and without previous knowledge, they simply enter what they need, and the AI fetches it and prints it out for them. Moreover, it was for all people, meaning it can be personalized if the host to accept anyone's preferences, dislikes, allergies, more. And finally, there was no ambiguity using it. So the AI doesn't confuse things, doesn't print things that weren't necessary. So everything needed by the user was displayed and exact details were displayed. So not to confuse the user. So this is a case study for the application. We took, for example, university students. So let's say a student wants to plan their meals throughout the week in order to maintain a balanced diet. So a student probably would not have enough time to schedule the meals to fit their needs. They won't have enough time to actually look up how to cook, not enough time to find out the proper ingredients. So it created a meal schedule for the students, and it personalized it according to their needs. Moreover, it displayed the recipes for the food, so the student wouldn't waste time looking for the recipes as well as the ingredients. And finally, we added a feature, which is a chatbot feature on the website, where the student can ask the AI more information about the nutrition as well as change some of the items if need be. And finally, each item, as well as weekday or the entire plan, is organized with the nutritional information, nutritional facts, so the carbohydrates, the proteins, and the calories, and more. So it serves as a nutritional coach, recipe generator, and a personalized meal schedule. This is the chatbot feature, so the user can ask the AI anything they need to give them proper information regarding their meal plan, if they want to cope with anything with their meal plans, what they should do to improve on their diets. And this is a working demo of our project. So what happens is the user first enters information regarding themselves. This is to help properly personalize the user experience. So this is used to calculate the BMI, and this BMI can be used to properly create the meal plan that will help achieve the proper nutritional gain of the user. So they enter the mode, which is which vary to four things. They can either lose, gain, or maintain weight. They enter their preferences, if they have any, their allergies if they have any, so as to personalize their experience. Finally, once the output is generated through the AI, we see that it's generated by day. We can organize it by day. It's up here. Each day shows its nutritional values as well as the food per day. You can full screen it to make it for better visibility. You can organize it by day as well as collapse the days. You can see the total calories per day, total carbs, fats, and proteins, and more. And finally, if we click on one of the foods, as you can see here, it will generate a picture, the ingredients, as well as the recipe to cook this food. Click on another thing, for example, here, recipe of beef stir fry. We see the ingredients, the steps, and picture of the food. Just organizing the meal plan, as we can see here. For each food, you can see as well the quantity, carbs, fats, and proteins. Finally, there's also a chatbot feature on the bottom right. You can ask chatbot anything. You can see hi. So it's personally made so it can assist with meal planning, nutritional goals, diets, exercise, all things related to that, basically. So we can ask a question. I want to replace, for example, blueberry muffins having 750 calories, so we want to replace something over here. So and the AI generates the proper response that maintains the meal plan and does not ruin it by adding more calories, more carbs, more fats than the average nutrition intake that is guaranteed or planned with this meal. And there's another question we can see here. What if I want something containing 650 calories? And it answers us right here. So this is it for this project. We can also end it by saying what are the future features that we would like to add. Maybe we would want to add personalization by country or by religion, if there is any. So sometimes some of the food that could be produced on this plan is not available much through a certain country. So it could be preferenced also by country. And yeah, thank you for watching.